Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I just want to talk with you guys what is happening on this channel, because there are a lot of changes and it can be a little bit confusing what my channel is all about. And since it was always a travel channel, yeah, it started out like that, so I want to keep up with the vibe, you know, so that's why I am also doing more interviews, and that is all quite relevant to YouTube tips, or like sharing culture or experiences. And that is basically what is happening with this channel, and also giving more of a behind the scenes of everything that I do, and a little bit of cinematics. So yeah, I hope that you guys understand that it is not a real travel channel anymore, because of the whole situation we are all in right now. I hope you guys are, by the way, doing fine, and my arm is getting a little bit tired. You guys also know that feeling, I think, if you are vlogging, or am I the only one? But anyways, there are just a lot of things behind the scenes, but I cannot tell you all of that. But cool projects where I am working on, so yeah, there will be more digital marketing tips later on this channel. Just with time, I just need to set everything straight, and I'm doing daily uploading and I am really enjoying it, but sometimes it feels a little bit pressured. But with good planning I make this workable, and I'm already doing this for almost 1.5 months, so it is going quite good. Yeah, let me also know if you enjoyed that I am daily uploading, or that you prefer me doing yeah, just 3 or 4 times a week, because sometimes, yeah, it can be a little bit too much. But yes, I still enjoy it, and I see that there is more traffic to my channel. I will also do an analytics, I think, an analytics video that I am just talking about my changes that happened after daily uploading. I really want to do that video, so that one is also coming up. And there is also a reverse culture shock video. I think after 1.5 weeks there are interviews scheduled, and just a lot of fun things coming up. And yeah, enjoy the ride with me, I would say. And I'm not going to edit this video that much, because there are just a lot of things to do, so I'm super sorry. But I think it is better to, yeah, bring you guys this message than, yeah, don't upload for today. So I think that's the most important, deliver a valuable message rather than nothing. It doesn't always need to be perfect. And yeah, that is what I wanted to say to you guys. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.